Hi, welcome to Mr. B's Art Room. Today's project is Objects in Detail. As you can kind of see here, what I've done here, this is 6 panels of an object in detail. So what I've done is I've actually done these 6 panels, looked at the object, and drew it as though I was looking at it really close. So the different areas of the pen, the eraser I should say, looking at how it was in it. So what you can do is you can grab anything from home. A pair of earbuds, USB. If you have one of these old-fashioned clothespins, or maybe a pair of scissors. This is what we're going to use for the example today. So let's set this aside. So the first thing you're going to need is a piece of paper. And the easiest way to get your areas is to fold the paper in half the long way. You don't have to fold it tight. And then thirds. So the way I do this to make it kind of even is I'll fold this part in, but I won't fold it yet. Then I'll take this part, and then I'll kind of line them up. And then I'll press them down, making sure that they're nice and even on one end, and then fold it up. And that's going to create 6 panels for me right there. And I can take my ruler and draw the separating lines. Okay, there we go. All right, so again, this is objects in detail. So we're going to look at the scissors in detail. We're going to look at it very close. So for this first one, I actually want to do just this part up here. So as I look at this, I'm going to put it into this, but I'm going to like zoom in close on it. Okay, and there it is. Very simple object in detail. All right, so for my second one, how about we just do a blade? Very easy, right? So we just kind of have the blade. Again, object in detail. So I'm going to do, probably let's just do just this upper part here. Pretty simple so far. How about this part right in here? So for this, I'm going to start with my black circle. So that gives me something to look at as my central point. All right, so what's another thing we can look at with these? There's not a lot really here to look at, but how about we do this piece? And for this one, I'm actually going to take it way off the page. So this is going to be the inside of my oval. So if you want to do a little bit of shading to kind of give it some dimension, make it look more three-dimensional, I encourage you to. You don't have to, that's not necessary, but if you want to do something like that. All right, so I'm almost running out of things to do for these scissors. I know. Let's just have them partially closed. Okay, there's the scissors coming together. And then just for fun, I'm going to do this part with the art on it. So I'm going to have, let's go up and down. Let's actually have it go this way. And there we go. So 6 very up close of our object that we just grabbed and worked on. It shouldn't take you very long. Grab any object and just find 6 different pieces to show of the object, and then you can turn that in, send it in to me. Hopefully this is a pretty simple project for you. Have a great day.